Well, good morning, folks. This is Chief Thief. We're fixing to head off down the trail as soon as Sunshine shows up. Or for some reason, she's running late this morning. We're waiting on Matchstick, but we've got some of the MOZI Hiker folks here from Fritch, Texas. I'll let them introduce themselves to you. This guy right here is Shelby. This guy is...
I'm Dean.
Dean's responsible for Shelby here.
I'm Dan.
Dan. This is MOZI Hiker. If you look them up on Facebook, nice group of guys. We're going to hike down the trail for the first time here at Lake Meredith, going down the South Turkey Creek Trail.
I know. We had to wait.
Man down.
Yeah.
He's back.
Shelby had some stuff to do.
It had to have been Shelby.
Yep.
Yeah, I had to fix my pack.
Understandable. Takes a couple. This Harbor Bay area here at Lake Meredith. Trailhead is in the far distance. We've been walking about 10-15 minutes. Kind of worried about Matchstick carrying that rake. Not sure if I'm gonna make it back tomorrow or not.
You should be scared.
If you don't hear anything from me, call the park ranger. Oh! Oh!
Okay, good. You almost got me falling. That's awesome.
Here's Dean and son Shelby.
Howdy, howdy.
Too pretty out here on a partly cloudy day. Temperatures mid-60s, light southwest wind. Couldn't ask for better conditions, better company.
I heard later that I could have got stuck, but I did it.
We're out, huh? You're doing double time. You're doing double duty. That'll make it look like you got a film crew.
Forgot my hiking stick. There they go. A little more rugged part of the trail, but doable. I'd rate the trail at moderate. We're a little over 1 mile into it.
Camp a lot, but I want to.
I have an old. This is one that Shelby's. Actually, one of the kids.
Okay, it's not that bad, guys. Come on, smile. Smile! Gotta let the audience know we enjoy this.
You enjoy it? I thought we were just That's the Anfield. You know, I could probably get it down a little lower, but staying somewhere close to what others are. That's not bad. Right. That was my thought.
Well, they have the kids with the hammocks and stuff and everything.
It's made out of good quality material.
Yep.
It's not bad.
Yeah. That's the hammock, the stuff sack, and the straps.
Yeah.
It's gonna be right around her butt.
Where are you getting that at?
I make them.
You do?
Yep.
Well, then I might be interested in a picture.
Okay.
You make the hammock.
Yes, ma'am. I sew them and everything. Snow cat.
Yeah, I bet so.
Did I tell you I went and visited selling knives now too?
Yeah. Yeah, you showed me those. They were cool.
Yeah, I've sold almost all my first one within 3 days. I haven't done anything. And even
There's the
looking at
number
making some,
17 marker
man,
along the trail.
the Hennessy to me is the perfect.
If you look at the map, that marks the 0.8 on the trail map, so we're 1.8 miles into our hike.
It just doesn't make sense to me.
That was a lake marker back in the 70s when it was full, 101 foot deep. Now it's only about 75 feet deep now. We'd be underwater right here.
Oh yeah.
Odd numbers was on the
You got a buddy that has one?
south side of the lake. Even numbers was on the north side of the lake. Way if you're navigating down the lake in the dark, you can tell if you're going up the lake or down the lake by increasing or decreasing numbers.
Oh, I know those MREs are good. When I was in the Army,
That young kid called a break.
when I was in the Army with
I'm sure glad because this old fogey
food that they have in a block,
need to break.
and we never put water with it because it's actually better without water, without making it recon.
Did you get it?
I did.
I sent him back to the truck to get my lights, and I don't see him carry my lights on. Maybe I gotta go get them. Well, I'm doing my best to try and catch up. Had to stop and take my vitamin P. Now I'm playing catch up. Got a lady present in the group trying to be a little more gentlemanly. And they're out of sight. But I know where we're going. Ah! I'll catch them. Me and my shadow right now. We'll catch them. Well, there's my war bonnet ridge runner set up. We're spreading out a little bit to make a little room for each other, not camping right on top of each other. So me, the snorer, won't keep everybody else awake. We're down here in this little canyon in the woods. Just Dan setting his hammock and tarp up, and you can see through the trees where Shelby and Dean are getting the hammock set up. Got a little bit of wind blowing, but not too bad.
That's so cool. I would have never thought to do that.
Matchstick's learning how to make a fire pit from
And
Dean.
to make like oxygen go in from the little tunnel.
Yeah,
That's such a good idea. Yeah, you just create a hole, dig a tunnel, put sticks over it, and dirt.
And then you can put rocks around it across that too.
And make it look pretty. But I don't think we have a lot of rocks in this general vicinity.
No.
I think they're gonna be up the hill. I was fixing to say I was gonna go make a phone call and
I have boxes of dehydrated vegetables for this
Jail
purpose.
food.
Well, no. So you put the dehydrated vegetables in there and your seasonings and everything, and then when I'm boiling my water, I cut up beef jerky and put in it.
Huh.
Let that boil until it's rolling. Put the rest in there and put the lid on it.
But it's funny though, in jail, they do that. Like to make special food
Yeah.
for themselves, they'll take ramen and make like, a bag of chips and put ramen
Yeah.
in there and then the packet and everything.
I have like the one I brought for tonight will be beef and vegetables with noodles.
Oh, yummy.
So and I've got dried soy sauce in there and all the seasonings. So
But to me, most MREs are really good.
yeah.
Like I enjoyed them. I didn't think they were bad.
They're just-
If you had more time, you could even.
the star of our camping trip is about to pull his world famous seat sitting
trick.
See, we gotta have entertainment, right? You ready?
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Drum roll.
Drum roll.
He did it.
And it's anticlimactic. It's gonna work.
Feel it moving.
Lean back a little bit, Shelby.
I'm leaning all the way back.
Are you?
Yeah,
That's awesome.
I'm leaning all the way back.
Is it comfortable?
Yeah, actually, it's not too bad. The back's not.
The stage is all yours, lady, when you're ready to go.
All right, now what do I do? I'm not super girly. I may dress normally, but I'm not. I feel like I could be a guy. And I don't wear pantyhose, so I'm more of a guy than he is.
Did you hear that out there?
I will get colors and get to you.
Okay. I'm super excited about it. I can't wait till Dave. He's gonna be excited about it too. Or he's gonna feign excitement. He will be excited once he gets out here and does it. I know he will. You just have to. Yeah.
She wants girly. I told her all I had right now was these kind of
I don't care if I stand out. All right, Bob, you ready?
I'm gonna have to do something manly before this is over with. So I don't
You
forget
should have
about that.
never ever
Just don't
talked
stab
about
me. I'm your
that.
friend.
Come
I'm
on,
gonna have
buddy.
to cut myself or something.
Let's do this. How'd you get out?
Just walk by the camera, whatever you do. I can't
Where
see
is the
camera from
camera?
here.
See, Melanie?
There it is over to
Bye,
the left.
y'all. Thanks for teaching me everything, and get back with me on the Hammock thing.
Will do.
Where is the camera?
Over to the left.
Here?
Yeah.
You want me to walk this way?
Yes. Over the branches.
Ah!
Step over the branches.
Okay.
Step. It's over to your left.
Okay.
The other left.
I don't take direction very good, Bobby.
Are you sure your feet's the reason why you got washed out of boot camp?
Shut up!
What kind of tarp is that?
Hennessy Hex.
Hennessy Hex?
Hex. H-E-X.
H-E-X. Looks just like that. It's bigger than the one I use.
You can actually do 2 hammocks under it.
Short campfire story. You go first.
The fire was burning.
You got anything?
Fire burned long.
Butt's numb, sitting on hard chair.
He said fireside story, not proverb.
Me, I don't have a clue after that one. Go.
Okay, so this is a Garmin watch, and so it's got GPS and GLONASS. It also has a fall alert that you can like program people in there to, if it indicates that you're falling off of something, that it'll automatically send a message. I don't know how that works exactly, but then you can do this. You can say navigate. If you navigate to, you can do points of interest. You can do things around me. Courses, so you can put your own courses in there. There's a Davis Canyon Trail, Harbor Bay Trail, Mullinall, Turkey Creek Trail.
You
This
can
one
read
here.
those trail maps on that watch?
Yeah, so right there, say do course. And so now we're
right there?
Yeah, so we're doing the course. That's right there. See it? It says the spot.
Yep. Yeah.
That's exactly, that's showing
I
us.
didn't catch it the other day when you said you was going to put that in your watch.
Yeah, so see right there, that's where we're at. That up here, that little green thing, that's a little tent. You can put little symbols
Yeah.
on there to say, hey, I'm going to mark this location. so I can hike right to it, and even share this with someone else who doesn't know where this is at, and they can get here.
So we only did 1.3 miles today?
No, I don't know exactly what that's saying
Okay.
right now because I haven't actually started it yet. If I start it, it'll go like that.
Okay.
And now I'm starting the trail.
All right. Well, that 1.3 was hurting my feelings. That's all the farther we walked. Well, that's cool. I'm not the techno good.
Business.
I've never gone camping that I had so little stuff prepared.
I really wish I could find my other water bottle. It's weird.
But I really knew that anything I didn't have, one of y'all would have it.
Oh, that's bright. There's only one setting on this.
I keep hoping the lake will keep coming up. I
This
wanna
lake? Lake Meredith?
Yeah,
Yeah, I would too.
I'd like to see it get back to capacity.
Yeah, I'd like to see it at 101 feet one more time.
Yep, I remember that. That was right after I moved over here to Fritch. 1973. I remember down at Harbor Bay, you know, instead of driving to the boat ramp, you turn to the left, and you could only drive down just a little ways, because that whole bluff there, you could barely walk around that bluff, and the waves would come washing up there. You could just barely get around it. Now there's a lot of room.
Well, I'm not sure I can talk before I've had breakfast, but it's about 10 minutes after 5. Been in the hammock since 9:30 last night. Been wakened about every 2 hours with the wind blowing through this little canyon, having a little accordion effect from the trees, the hammock bouncing up and down just about an inch, half inch or so, and had some rain blow through at 3:30. Heard the pitter patter of raindrops on the tarp. It's been an enjoyable night. Haven't heard any snoring from the other guys, but I'm over about 100 feet. And do I look wide awake? I don't feel wide awake. It's been a couple hours since I talked to you last time. Did get a little more sleep. Still get occasional gusty wind come through the trees. Looks like it's a little cloudy outside. I haven't been out there to take a look yet, but I'm fixing to get up. It's 7:30, fixing to get up, eat me some brown sugar cinnamon Pop-Tart, have me a bottle of water. I'm cold camping this time, didn't bring a stove. One thing I do want to mention, I figured out a way to keep my feet from hurting when I'm out hiking. But when you go out with the MOZI Hiker crew, don't mention that you borrowed your wife's nylon stockings to put on your feet and wear them between your feet and your hiking socks. They won't let you live it down, so keep that to yourself. And Sitting here quietly eating my Pop-Tart, drinking a little water, enjoying the morning sounds of nature. Beautiful to wake up to these songbirds. Well, we're hiking out on Wednesday morning. Got a lot of chores to do today, so I'm hiking out solo. The other guys are finishing up breakfast. I'm still about 2 hours from the house.